evening, students.
Good evening, sir.
Today we will have a practical session for LexisNexis legal database, and from the LexisNexis, Mr. Abhijit Gupta is with us, who will provide the practical training session for handling, for using the keyword different search techniques of LexisNexis database.
Let me share my screen.
Okay.
So are you able to see my screen?
Yes, we are able to see.
Okay, thank you. So I apology for the delay. So there is some technical error which I'm facing with my this Lexis Advanced ID. So students, when you begin with your login ID and password or on IP access, so this is the landing page of this portal. And the USP of this particular interface is that we provide entire primary and secondary content from global jurisdiction at one place. So, as you already aware that primary material comprises the cases and legislation, whereas secondary material comprises the proprietary content of LexisNexis in terms of commentary. So this is the landing page. So you must appreciate that we keep it very neat and clean to increase the user satisfaction level. So this is the home page basically, and here you can, select your jurisdiction before you proceed to continue your search. So as you already aware that in Lexis Advance we provide multi-jurisdictional search. So as you're already aware that India, Hong Kong, Malaysia, Singapore, UK, Australia, New Zealand, Canada, and United States. So these are the jurisdiction which we covered in this particular database. So entire primary and secondary content is available. Now these are the quick access spots starting from favorites, folders, notification, alerts, publication history, and quick finding. So these are the few pods which is available here. So again, if I talk about the very first one, which is favorites. So in favorites tab, you can select your favorite sources. So for example, you want Mullah, you want DD Basu, you want Ramaiya on a routine basis. So what you can do, you can select these sources as a favorite, and these sources are saved into your favorites tab. Now, secondly, if I talk about folders, so here you can create n number of folders, right? So for example, if you are searching a content on, let's say, Companies Act or a constitutional morality or anything, so what you can do, you can create n number of folders with the related topic, and you can save your paragraph or articles or journals in that particular folders for your future references. Now next is notification. So again in notification tab, what you can any communication from LexisNexis you get in this notification tab. Whereas now the next one is alert. So you can create n number of alert. For example, if you are searching for any complex topic, let's say medical negligence. So any new update in particular topic, be it in cases, be it in legislation, or be it in commentary. So you will get update on your email ID, right? Then next is publication. So under this publication tab, you can see the entire India content under this publication tab. Then next is history. In history, you can see your past searches, right? And the next is quick find. So under this quick find tab, what we had done here, for example, if you want to search for a case with the help of case citation, so you can put citation name and party name and perform search. Then same goes with legislation search, analytical material search, and defined terms. So here defined terms means we will provide one dictionary called P. Ramanathan Iyer Law Lexicon, which is the part of your subscription. You can put any legal word and you can find this definition, a dictionary definition here only, right? Now I can begin with keywords. Hello, uh, hello. Is there any question? Shall I continue?
Yes, yes. You may
Okay,
continue.
okay. Now I'll quickly perform one keyword search here. So, for example, you want to see termination of contract. So to keep it together, to treat as a one single word, I will put double quotes here. Now when I perform search, it gives me cases, legislation, and analytical material in one go. So here you can see 1723 results from Indian cases, 17 results from legislations, and 214 results from Indian commentaries. Now, if I talk about cases, so 1723 cases, and here you can see termination of contract is already, highlighted in a green color. Now, again, you can sort your result by selecting relevance, document title A to Z, Z to A, jurisdiction A to Z, Z to A, court highest to lowest, lowest to highest, judgment newest on top, oldest on top. You can select as per your requirement. Then if I talk about the filters which is available here and it is placed on the extreme right hand side where you can see narrow by. So narrow by you can narrow by your result by adding one more keyword here or apply filters like case type, whether you want a cases or you want a case citator feature, you want jurisdiction, you want court-wise selection, location, tribunals, timeline, then publication, then legal topic. So here termination of contract pertaining to civil procedure, commercial, constitutional, corporate, criminal procedure, and the last one is bench strength. Whether you want a single judge bench judgment or a divisional judgment judgment, you can select that as well. Now I move to legislation part. So here legislation, the entire central and state acts, which is fully covered under this legislation part. And as you already aware that we publish those yellow covered Universal Fair Act, which is the part of your subscription. Now, if I talk about the most interesting thing, which is analytical material, so 214 results comes from analytical material. Now, if I can, segregate this by selecting under this track content type, you select commentaries, and on the publication tab, you can see the entire list of publications. So this is the commentary name like Markanda, Bachawat, Dwabia, Polak Mulla, BP Banerjee, M. Dens, H.L. Kumar. So these are the marquee titles which provide a detailed insight on your search topic, which is termination of contract. Now I'll quickly open Polak Mulla Indian Contract Act. So around five results I'll get from this particular commentary. Now I'll quickly open the introduction part. Now, under this introduction part, under this breadcrumb trail, you can find all the detailed and relevant information pertaining to that particular topic. So, information like chapter name, source name, edition name, commentary name. Each and every information is pretty much covered here. So as you can see, Polak Mullah, the Indian Contract and Relief Act, right? Chapter number so and so, section number this. Now we firstly explain the section itself, followed by the full text commentary. So this is the entire full text commentary, and you must appreciate that the entire commentary is hyperlinked with related acts and cases. For example, while reading this particular paragraph, here you can see section 62 of the Sales of Goods Act 1930, which is hyperlinked here. So anybody wants to read this particular section, simply right click and open this particular section in another tab, right? So here you can see section 62, the Sales of Goods Act. Now go to the commentary once again. Now, one more thing, the entire commentary is hyperlinked with related acts and cases from India and international. So here you can see this is the English citation, All England Law Report citation, which is given here. So when you click here, you can see the practical implication of that particular section. So this is the complete full text judgment along with court ready PDF. So this is the court ready PDF. So basically we publish All England Law Report. That is why we provide the entire, true prints as well. So this is the full text commentary, full text case, which was published in the All England Law Report. Now go back. So this is the complete full text. Now, if you look at the entire table of content, go to view full table of content. And this is the complete chapter of Pollock and Mullah Indian Contract and Relief Act. So here you can see this is the commentary, Indian Contract Act, and these are the complete chapter from chapter number 1 to chapter number 11, right? Now, if you want to download certain chapter, simply select the chapter and all the deliverable mechanism like add to folder, print, email, download is readily available on the top of this page. So for example, if you want to download chapter number 1, 2 and 3, select and click on this download option. But one thing keep in mind always that you can download only 100 documents in one stretch, right? So for example, when I select chapter number 1, it shows only 8 documents selected. So here document means sections. So in chapter number 1, 8 sections is covered. So 8 is selected here. When you click on chapter number 2, from 8 to it goes up to 46. And when you select chapter number 3, it went up to chapter number 54. 54 documents selected. And when you click chapter number 4, it exceeds 100 documents. So that means in one stretch, it will download from chapter number 1 to chapter number 3. All right. Now go back. Now I can show you the use of Boolean connectors. So for example, if you want to search for medical negligence, put double quotes, perform search. So when I do a search for a medical negligence, the system shows Now, 3,169 cases, 10 legislations, 269 analytical material. Now, what I can do here, I simply do a Boolean connector search. So, what I can do, I put medical negligence, put one connector which is called and put my next keyword which is compensation. Now, when I perform search, it shows 1949 cases where medical negligence is highlighted in green and compensation is highlighted in orange color. Right. Now I can replace and with W forward slash P. So here W forward slash P stand for within same paragraph. When I do a search, from 1949 result, it goes down to 1240 and it shows only those cases or commentaries or legislation where medical negligence is available with compensation within same paragraph. Now I can replace P with S. Now when I do a search, from 1270 it goes down to 875. So here it shows only those cases or legislations or commentaries where both the keyword were present within same sentence with each other, right? Now you can put any number also. So it could be 2, 3, 5, anything. So when you perform a search, it shows 116 results. And where medical negligence and compensation is available very close to each other, right? Very close to each other. So this is the Boolean connector search. Now one more thing, for example, if you are searching for, let's say, termination of contract, so put termin exclamation mark within one word each other, you want contract, right? Now when you perform the search, it shows all possible endings of termin. So it could be termination, it could be terminated, it could be terminate, it could be terminating, terminable, anything is available in front of you. Now here you can see termination, terminated, terminated, termination, terminable, terminated, termination. So all possible endings is covered here. Now I can show you where you can see this Boolean connector list. Go to advanced, go to cases. On the extreme right hand side, you can see this is the use connector list. So double quotes stand for exact phrase and or and not slash n exclamation mark. Now when you click here, you can get all the in the entire list of Boolean connectors. So this is the entire list. You can refer this for your future references. Now go back. Now, for example, if you are searching for any complex topic, let's say constitutional validity. Now, when you do a search for constitutional validity, and you find that the the list of cases or commentaries is not satisfactory within Indian jurisdiction, or the precedence is not available in Indian jurisdiction. So what you can do, you can simply select your jurisdiction from India to any international one. So here you can see India flag is selected and around 10,000 plus cases is available on constitutional validity. Right. Now, when you select international flag, so when I select UK, so it shows 1084 cases, zero legislations, and 191 secondary material. Then select Australia. So Australia shows 2006 cases, 19 legislation, 256 analytical material. And in the same way for Canada, it shows 5,997 cases, 127 legislations, quantums 0, drafting material 0. When you click on this drop down, you can see Hong Kong, Malaysia, New Zealand, Singapore, and United States of America. Now, if I talk about United States of America, it covers some 10,000 plus cases, 3,132 statutes, 7,050 secondary materials, and 2,000 something around administrative materials. Now, I quickly covered the UK coverage. So under this UK, you can see these are the cases which were reported. Now, if I talk about the available filters, so here you can see case reports, summaries, citators, transcripts, everything. Then legal topic, then court, timeline, and publication, right? So these are the publication which we covered in UK jurisdiction, like law reports of the Commonwealth, Irish report, Butterworth's ICLR, then weekly law reports, All England law reports, right? EU cases. So all these are the prominent ones. So for example, you want this, let's say, weekly law reports. So select weekly law reports. So these are the cases which were reported under this weekly law reports. And when you open this, so this is the complete full text judgment. So this particular case was published under this also, this citation also. So when you click on this citation, it shows the entire full text coverage, Butterworth's human right cases. And when you click on the code ready PDF, it gives you the true print of that particular case. So this is the complete full text case, right? So this is the international one. Now I can show you what all secondary material is available from UK jurisdiction. So go to secondary material, then go to content type, select commentary, and here you can see publication. When you click publication, so these are the few commentaries. Let's say Butterworth's immigration law, Lester Panic, Herzberg, human right law, Splits Clark, offshore services, and Trolley company law service. So these are the few commentary which is available on this particular topic, constitutional validity, right? Now, when you click US, so it shows entire US content like US cases, US legislations, secondary material, administrative material, everything. So when you click US cases, so these are the cases which was reported in US Supreme Court. So this is the case, this is the entire detail, reporter details, prior history. So अगर इस पर्टिकुलर केस का कोई प्रायर हिस्ट्री है किसी भी सेशन कोर्ट के अंदर या डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट के अंदर, so you can refer that as well, right? then dispositions, then entire case summary, head notes. So this is the format basically for US cases. Now here you can see the entire, citator feature facility. So under this citator facility, here you can see the treatment of the case is also given. So here it shows yellow indicator, which means it is under this cautionary treatment. Then green color shows positive, A neutral, I means only citation information is available. Now, when you click on the secondary material part, so secondary material comprises the law reviews and law journals. When I click on publications, so these are the international law reviews. So starting from Harvard, then Columbia, Australia Bar Review, Fordham, Melbourne, Michigan, right? Then Yale Law Journal, Virginia Law Review, everything is pretty much covered here. So when I click Yale Law Journal, so these are the material which basically comes from Yale Law Journals. So I'll quickly open the very first one, which is article The Constitution Foundations of Chenery 116 Yale. So this is the citation or document information. So here you can see this is the reporter's detail. Now this is the complete article and the entire deliverable mechanism is also available here. All right. Now go back to the landing page once again. Now, if you want to see what all content is available from Indian jurisdiction, so for that you click on this browse option, go to publications, India, content type, analytical material. So this is the entire list of commentary which we covered in this particular database, and entire commentary is alphabetically arranged with their author name. So for example, you want to look up commentary on, let's say, arbitration. So put here your legal topic. So here you can see Bachawat C.R. Datta Enforcing Arbitral Award, Halsbury's, Markanda, right? Now if you want to look at, let's say, contract. So here you can see B.R. Sharma, Emdens, Halsbury's, Markanda, Mullah, Nilima, Polak Mullah. So all these uh, necessary commentary is available here. Then let's say for Companies Act, so Ramaiya Guide to Companies Act is covered here. Now this is one way. Another way is you can see one by one because here the entire commentary is alphabetically arranged. For example, if you want to look at what all commentary is available on Mullah, so you can see Mullah Code of Civil Procedure, 18th edition, 17th edition, then transfer of property, Hindu law, principle of Mohammedan law, civil procedure, registration act, sales of goods act. So entire full text coverage is pretty much covered here. Now, if I talk about the international, important materials, so you already heard about entire Halsbury's Laws of India. So this is the Halsbury's Laws of England, and India is also covered here. Halsbury's Laws of England, table of content. So entire Halsbury's, right, the complete volume is available alphabetically arranged here. topic wise. So starting from agency to agriculture, animal arbitration, everything is covered here. So for example, if you want to look at any topic like personal property, so expand personal property, updated by scope, ownership, possession, alienations, equitable interest, everything is pretty much covered here, right? Then go to scope and description. Then personal property defined. So this is the definition is also covered here. So this is the definition of personal property, and here it shows the entire source name along with hyperlinks to related acts and cases. So this is all about the introduction or the training of Lexis Advance India. Is there any specific question related to search functionalities or a product content? Please let me know.
So, is there a way to search for cases where the topic that I'm searching for has been successfully pleaded?
Please.
Is there a way to filter out those cases where the topic that I'm searching for has been successfully pleaded?
Successfully.
Pleaded, like a positive treatment has been given to that topic, a
Okay.
defense, for example.
Okay, okay. So for that, so this feature basically comes under this citator feature, and in this database we cover the case citator feature only for Supreme Court of Indian cases. So for example, if you are searching a case on let's say medical negligence, so type your keyword here. Then perform search, go to cases, then go to case citator feature. So these are the case citator feature. Now select already Supreme Court of India selected here. Now when you open this, so here you can find the case referring to this case, cases considered by this case. And when you click here, case citator signals, so it shows red color shows negative treatment, orange cautionary, green positive, and purple neutral treatment. And this sky blue C denotes only citation information is available. So this is available only for Supreme Court of India cases as of now. So when you click cases considered by this case, so these are the cases, two cases which is considered to this case, and these are the party names. It is clear, ma'am?
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Is there any other question? Arun sir, I'm done from my side. Is there any question related to search functionality or a product content? Please let me know. Or with your permission, I can, log off.
You can show the content coverage of LexisNexis database,
Okay.
overall content
Uh,
coverage.
Okay, okay. So give me 1 second, sir. So if I talk about the jurisdiction that we covered in this particular database, so I already mentioned the entire India content along with the Commonwealth coverage and United States of America. And if I, provide you the source name, the important source name, which is covered in this particular database. So these are Halsbury's Laws of England, Hong Kong, India, Malaysia, and Singapore. Then All England Law Reports, All England Commercial Cases, Appeal Cases, Privy Council, Chancery Division, House of Lords. Then entire Simon's tax cases, European Court of Human Rights cases, law reports to Commonwealth, Australian law reports. Then entire it covered Butterworth series. Then these are the few international commentaries starting from Buckley to Bank on Sentence, Boyle and Birds, uh, Crook on Cause. So these are the few international commentaries. Then entire encyclopedia on Thompson precedent is covered here. Then from Indian jurisdiction, we covered 300 plus LexisNexis proprietary commentaries, then cases, then yellow covered Universal Bear Act, 800 law journals and law reviews starting from Harvard, Yale, Modern, Cambridge, environmental law, then entire US Supreme Court lawyers edition cases, federal cases, Court of Appeal, statutes, legislation, and 50 state surveys. So these are the prominent sources which is available in your subscription, sir. So if you want this particular write-up, I will share on your email ID, sir.
Hello.
Yeah.
Good evening. बोलिए.
Hello. Arun, sir, are you here?
Yes, sir. I'm here,
Yeah.
sir.
So I'm done, sir.
Okay. Dear students, have you any query uh, regarding the searching, basic search, advanced search, or any kind of query related to the LexisNexis database? This database is going to help you a lot in your studies and research while studying the cases. I hope that everything is clear to all the students. So we will bind up the session, sir.
Thank you so much, students. Thank you so much, Arun, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.